The Corsair 110Q case offers a minimalist design that fits seamlessly into almost any setup. What sets it apart are 4 high-density sound dampening panels that significantly reduce noise, making it ideal for users who want a quieter PC without sacrificing style or function. When it comes to storage, the 110Q supports up to 4 drives. You get 2 dedicated 2.5-inch trays plus 2 combo trays that handle either 3.5-inch or 2.5-inch drives, all housed in a removable cage. There's also a 5.25-inch optical drive bay, which narrows your options but is perfect if you still need that feature. Cooling is well covered right out of the box with a 120mm fan included to keep your components running smoothly. Plus, the case can accommodate up to 4 120mm fans or 2 140mm fans, along with multiple radiator configurations for liquid cooling setups. This flexibility ensures your system stays cool under pressure. Keeping your build clean is simple thanks to removable dust filters on both the floor and front panels. These filters help maintain airflow and protect your hardware long after your build is complete, reducing maintenance time and preserving performance. One satisfied user upgraded from a Corsair 110R to a pricier model but found themselves appreciating the 110Q even more. They highlighted the easy-to-remove tempered glass side panel and the modern USB front panel connectors as standout features. Running an Intel i7-11700K with a mid-range CPU cooler and 3 case fans, the system stayed cool and quiet. Another build featured an ASUS optical drive and an EVGA 280mm AIO cooler as intake at the front. Exhaust fans included a 120mm Be Quiet Lightwing in the rear and a 140mm Fantex fan on top. With 32 GB of Corsair RGB Vengeance DDR4 RAM and a Corsair 750 RMX power supply, this setup demonstrates the 110Q's capability to support high-performance components with ease. If you're looking for a PC case that balances quiet operation with solid cooling and flexible storage, the Corsair 110Q is worth a look. It's especially appealing if a 5.25-inch drive bay is a must-have. The combination of sound dampening, ample fan support, and easy maintenance makes it a smart choice for both casual and serious builders. Try the Corsair 110Q when you're ready to build a system that performs quietly and efficiently. Its thoughtful design and reliable features ensure you get a case that adapts to your needs without compromise.